Hi everybody, Tom from Cruising with the 4Bs. Want to know what's happening cruise-wise in 2023? Well, grab your passport and let's jump on board. First of all, it's World Cruise time for MSC. MSC Magnifica heads on 117-day, 43 ports of cool World Cruise. Our cruise season starts in February. We're heading on Iona. We've heard so much about Iona, watched so much about it, and we're looking forward to heading on board, making our debut. Check out this footage from Sail Away with Dan and Jay. I'll put a link in the description. But yes, I think it's a ship that we've heard so much about. They're actually now finally heading on board for a Northern Europe 7-day cruise, and we'll have it all covered. Ship tour, review, and vlogs as well. If you've got any hints and tips, then please do pop it down in the comments. That's February. In April, we're heading on World Europa. The Venom Drop, that sounds good. We'll be reviewing the food, we've got the massive water park. Oh my, there's so much to do in 4 nights. We'll get it all covered as we head on World Europa. It's a new ship in May 2023 for Oceania Cruises. May the 13th from Roe is the maiden for Oceania Vista. Also in May this year, we're returning to a 4B's favourite, Anthem of the Seas, but this time it's 2B's, so you'll find us in the Solarium. Viking Saturn arrives. 930 guests. It'll be starting from Rome. As you can see, it's looking very luxurious. That'll be their new ship, debuting in May. We'll be following the sun, well, hopefully following the sun, on Avia in May. We're going to be checking out the high road, the goal, the diner, the escape room. We cannot wait. And that is Avia. Don't forget, all of these, we will be doing ship tours, reviews and vlogs, so make sure you do consider subscribing to the channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Arriving for Virgin Voyages this year, Resilient Lady and also Brilliant Lady. They'll be identical pretty much to Scarlet and Valiant, so expect good food, service and things done slightly differently. Yoruba arrives for MSC. It'll be sister to Virtuosa, so expect high ropes, water parks, lots of fun, and we're heading on towards the end of the year. Rob the Robot returns as well. New for MSC is their Explorer Journeys. Explorer 1 arrives this year. It is a new concept, yacht type luxury cruising, 500 suites, 3 pools, wellness facilities. It's heading across the world and it starts in Southampton this year. Also, Norwegian Viva arrives. Looking good. Aquapark, Speedway, Donna Summer Musical. It has its maiden in August. We're heading on an ocean liner next, and it's going to be Queen Mary 2. We've never sailed Cunard before, so we're extremely excited about taking a 3-day cruise on this amazing liner. Carnival Jubilee arrives in December of this year. It'll be sister to Carnival Celebration. Galveston will be its maiden voyage departure point. It's 5,000. It's got a roller coaster. It's got pool slides and lots of fun on board. Celebrity Ascent joins the Edge class in December with its maiden and Icon of the Seas build will be complete this year. It's handed over to Royal Caribbean and it heads on its maiden in early 2024. Fancy a world cruise? Got spare 274 nights for 11 wonders of the world and over 60 ports of call. Serenade of the Seas will be heading away in December of 2023. One day we'll head on to a world cruise. So that's our plans. Also, all the maidens you can expect in this year. What are your plans cruise-wise? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. It's in 2023. It's all about vlogs, ship tours and guides. Click on the screen now if you'd like to see our guide to Avia. See you soon. Happy cruising!